I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Plug the dongle into the TV's USB port now. You want power and physical connection before anything else. If the TV won't power the dongle, attach a 5V/1A powered USB adapter. This usually fixes underpowered ports. You'll also check the TV's OS. Android TV and Linux-based smart TVs differ in driver support, so open Settings and note the OS version. Finally, turn on the Bluetooth device you'll pair and keep the remote handy for menus. You'll need them in the next step. Once the dongle is powered, go into Settings and find Bluetooth or accessory options. Enable Discovery. If the TV shows no Bluetooth controls, you'll install drivers. On Android TV, use ADB or an app. On Linux, use GUI Package Manager or Terminal to load the correct kernel module. Sometimes the dongle must be toggled to HCI or HID firmware. To do that, connect it to a PC and use the vendor tool. Make sure the dongle's chipset is recognized before attempting pairing. With drivers active, put the TV into pairing mode and make your device discoverable. Accept any PIN or confirmation on both ends. Once paired, test audio or input. Play a clip, check latency, and switch TV audio output to Bluetooth if audio doesn't route automatically. If the connection drops or fails, reboot the TV and unplug the dongle for 10 seconds, then try another USB port or a powered hub. If problems persist, update dongle firmware or factory reset the Bluetooth device. Those steps result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.